Happy morning, students. How are you? I am Rishabh sir, your science teacher, and I hope you all must be fine, safe, and doing your studies in your home. Students, in my previous audio, I had explained you about living things. So today, through this video class, online class by Cinderella English School, we are going to discuss our first chapter, living and non-living things. So today our topic is living and non-living things. Students, before we going to start living and non-living things, first we have to understand two terms. Basically, first natural things and second man-made things. Man-made things. See students, we are surrounded with different types of objects as well as things. From the day starts, just like we see sun in the morning, and when the day ends, just in the night, we see moon. Yes or no? Yes, this is basically happens. Sun rises in the morning, and in the night at the sky, we see moon. So first we study about natural things. The things that are given to us by nature are called natural things. So we should write down things that are given to us by nature are called natural things. See, basically for the things that are given to us by nature are called natural things. Let's take an example. Sun. Can we create sun? No. Moon. Water. Soil. Stars, etc. And there are so many things that nature has given to us, just like the sun. We get sunlight from sun, as well as we see moon, water, soil and stars. These things are given to us by nature, and we are using all these things. We are not just creating these things, we are just using these things. Second one is man-made things. Things that are created by man are called man-made things. See, man-made things. Things that are created by man are called man-made things, or we can say it artificial things. See, we are surrounded, just like in our house, we see many types of man-made things. Just like see, in my hand there is a marker. Marker is man-made things. For example, we can see this board. This board is also a man-made thing. Right now I am marker, man-made things. Is it clear, students? Just like your books, your notebook. See, my clothes, as well as your school bag. These all are man-made things. Basically, your toys, your toy car. So, man-made things, things that are created by man are called man-made things. Can you give me some examples? First, we write marker. See, I am writing on a board. Pen, pencil, book, notebook, etc. So these two things are clear: natural things and man-made things. I am repeating: natural things. Things that are given to us by nature are called natural things, and we human cannot create or make this natural thing. These things basically are given to us by nature. Let's take example: sun. Sun is a natural thing. Moon, natural thing. Water, natural thing. We cannot make water. Can you make it water in your home? क्या घर में हम पानी को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं? No, we cannot make water. We just use water in different forms. पानी को अलग अलग फॉर्म्स में यूज कर सकते हैं for cooking, brushing, bathing, but we cannot create water as well as soil. Basically, soil, मिट्टी, can we create it? No, we cannot. Stars and many more things that, and they are basically natural things. See, then we have man-made things. Things that are created by man are called man-made things, just like marker, board, pen, pencil, book, notebook, your toy car, many more. There are the many man-made things that cannot fit in these spaces. इतना man-made thing है कि हम यहाँ लिख भी नहीं पाएंगे. So what you have to do? Just make a list of all those objects in your house. Basically, you are seeing that are man-made. ऐसे कुछ बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट तुम्हारे घर में मैन-मेड थिंग्स हैं, उनका एक लिस्ट बनाओ. देखो कि हम लोग कितना ज़्यादा हम लोग नेचुरल थिंग्स का यूज कर रहे हैं और अगर वी आर यूजिंग मैन-मेड थिंग्स. क्लियर? So students, write all these natural things and man-made things. You can take snapshots of this video. Right now I am erasing, and we have to go on our next topic. So our next topic is living things. Students, are we living things? क्या हम लोग living things हैं? And further, how can we identify the things as a living and a non-living? कैसे हम लोग पहचानेंगे कि this one is living, this one is non-living? See, previously I have explained to you, but right now I am recalling this topic, so I am explaining. Explaining it again. So, living things. Basically, for living things, there are the basic three characters. First, they have to grow, then they have to breathe, and they need food and water to live. So, the living things that have life in them, are called living things. Things that have life in them are called living things. Basically, the things that have life in them are called living things. For example, we have life, so we are living things. And further, we also need food and water, because if we work or students, if you do a lot of other activity, then you also need food and water, as well as we need air to breathe, and by the time spent, we just also grow. Imagine those days when you were in nursery, LKG or UKG, then you were smaller ones, तुम लोग बहुत छोटे छोटे रहे होगे. Right now you are in standard 3, then you become bigger, and when you go to senior classes, then you also then your height will increases, as well as you will become big. So living things, and further we have to understand what can living things do. So first, living things can move. Basically, living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another place, just like you. When you have to come to school, and you start walking from your house and comes to school, as well as you can take several transport बट यू नीड टू वॉक, लेकिन हम लोग वहाँ मूव तो करते हैं. सो लिविंग थिंग्स कैन मूव. व्हेन यू आर कमिंग टू स्कूल यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ एनिमल्स. बहुत सारे जानवरों को तुम देखते हो, जस्ट लाइक द काउ, हॉर्सेज. कैन दे स्टे एट देयर सेम प्लेसेस? क्या वो लोग अपनी ही जगह पे एकदम स्टिल खड़े रहते हैं? नो, दे आर मूविंग फ्रॉम देयर प्लेस. When you go to your home from school, then you see that those cows and horses are not from there. वो लोग उस जगह पे नहीं रहते हैं. But the temples, मंदिर, वो अपने ही जगह पे फिक्स्ड है. Many of the shops, बहुत सारे दुकान अपने अपने प्लेसेस पे जाकर एकदम फिक्स रहता है. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि ये पर्टिकुलर शॉप आज यहाँ है तो कल मूव करके दूसरे जगह चला जाता है. नो, इट कैन नॉट. So living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another place. Clear? But students, you must ask one question. नहीं तुम एक क्वेश्चन तो पूछ ही सकते थे कि सर plants cannot move, plant तो मूव नहीं करता है, but still plant is living thing. लेकिन plant तो living thing है. Yes, plant is living thing and plant is moving, but we cannot see its movement. प्लांट मूव करता है लेकिन हमें उसका मूवमेंट, जो मूव करता है वो हमें दिखता नहीं है. There is a plant called touch me not plant. If you touch that plant, then by the time spent that plant gets shrink, वो धीरे धीरे सिकुड़ जाएगा. This is the movement of the plant. ये क्या है? प्लांट का मूवमेंट है. Just like you see sunflower. Where does the sunflower goes? Always sunflower faces the sun. When the sun changes its direction, जब sun अपने डायरेक्शन को चेंज करेगा, सनफ्लावर भी अपना फेस चेंज कर जाएगा. Is it clear? So living things can move. So students, here we understand how living things can move. So what you have to do, just make a list of all those things you are seeing in your house as well as in your colonies or neighbors, in the neighborhood, that what the things can move. एक ऐसा चार्ट बना लो जो ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करता है. Is it clear? In our next video, I will explain you about the different things that living things can do. फिर हम वहाँ तुम्हें और भी बताएंगे कि क्या क्या living things परफॉर्म एक्टिविटी कर सकता है. Till now, stay safe, stay protected and keep your studies continue. Thank you.